Whenever I do a presentation and recommend to the audience and that they give a very awful response to how are you, someone always comes up to me afterward and says, what if I really don't feel therapy? Whenever I do a presentation and recommend to the audience that they give a very upbeat response to how are you, someone always comes up to me afterwards and says, what if I really don't feel terrific? I know I was sounding like a crazy girl, but yeah, you can call me crazy, I don't mind. So, many people think that English speaking is all about grammar, vocabulary, and accent, but the real problem is mouth movement, right? Our mouth, our tongue, and our jaw are not trained to speak English sounds clearly, especially when your first language is Hindi or any other regional language. Yeah, you struggle to speak English, right? Even if your brain knows the sentence, but your mouth struggle to deliver it smoothly. Right now, right. This is pen practice. By the way, this is a wood wood chopstick, but you can do it from a pen or a pencil, like whatever suits you. So this pen practice is like a workout for your mouth muscles, just like we train our body at the gym, right?
Hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you're new here, let me tell you that on this channel we talk about English speaking, self-improvement and confidence in a very practical way and many more things. So, I want to ask you something. Do you ever feel that you know English, but when you speak English, your mouth doesn't cooperate? Like the word sounds unclear and pronunciation feels weak and the confidence just drops. If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Because today in this video, I'm going to share one 10-minute daily practice that can seriously help you to sound clear, confident, and a good speaker. And the best part is you don't need any classes, apps, or anything just like that. No, you don't need that. You just need a you just need a pen, this or a wood chopstick or a pencil, like anything where that you have. Okay. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. So now you have to take one pencil, pen, or a wood chopstick or anything like that. Now hold that thing horizontally between your mouth like this. Don't bite it too hard, just hold it comfortably. Mhm. Just hold it comfortably. Okay. I know you will look funny, you will sound idiot, like an idiot. Yeah. But that's the point. When this thing is in your mouth, your lips and your tongue have to work harder, right? And that's the thing that English learners wants, right? Now pick any one book, okay? Just like this. This is Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. Okay, I'm taking this one. You can take any book, a storybook or a book like this, or you can read a newspaper article or any article like this. Okay, and start reading out loud while holding this in your mouth, like between your teeth. Okay, and read out loud. Okay, don't rush, speak slowly, and focus on opening your mouth clearly. Okay, please don't rush and please pronounce each word clearly. Sometime, like after a few minutes, you will feel that your tongue getting tired, your jaw feeling heavy, and that means it's working. Yes, it's working. If you feel like that, it means it's working. Okay, if you make mistakes, it's okay. This because this is just a practice now. It's not perfection, right? Now this is what you guys have to do. Just hold it horizontally between your teeth and read any one paragraph. Okay, I'm reading this right now.
Have you ever been afraid or anxious before trying a new or challenging activity? Has that fear ever stopped you from taking action? I'm sure you have been paralyzed by fear at one time or another in your life. I mean, I have. That's simply part of being human.
Okay, you have to focus on one more thing. Please, while reading with this pen or chopstick, please don't whisper. Please don't whisper. Speak out loud and don't focus on speed. Don't stop again and again. That's a very important thing. Okay, and read anything. And after reading one paragraph, remove that pen or chopstick or pencil, whatever had in your mouth, and read that same paragraph again, like this. Have you ever been afraid of anxious before trying a new or challenging activity? Has that ever fear ever stopped you from taking action? I'm sure you've been paralyzed by fear at one time or another in your life. I know I have. That's simply part of being human. Just like this. You have to read that twice. Like first time with the pen and the second time without the pen. You will notice that your mouth's the sounds are very clear and your mouth feels comfortable. Your mouth feels more open, words comes out very clearly, and that's the point. Okay. Now, how many days and when to practice? Okay, let me tell you that you have to practice this once in a day, just 10 minutes, and do it for at least 21 days, please. Okay, and the best time for practice is in the morning before going to bed, or before recording English speaking videos, or before speaking in public. That's it. That's it, my honey. Now, the most important part. Please, I want you to treat this like a daily habit, not like a challenge. Are you getting it? Mm-hmm. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you're trying this like 10-minute daily practice, pen practice, if you're trying this, just comment below that I'm going to try this today, from today, okay, for the next 21 days. Yeah, and maybe 25 days or 30 days or daily or on daily basis. Okay, and if you find this video helpful, just let me know in the comment section. And what else, please comment below, like if you like something, and if you want any specific video from me, like whatever, like anything related to me, anything related to English speaking or anything just like that, just let me know in the comment section, like what do you guys really want, because पता नहीं वीडियोस का बहुत वो हो गया है मेरे पास, कम हो गया है टॉपिक्स वगैरह. Anyways, I know some of you might don't understand Hindi. I'm sorry. See, I was trying to tell you guys that if you have any topic, just let me know in the comment section, because I don't have any topic related to English speaking or anything. So I want you to comment below. Okay, and yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.